Hey there. So I just woke up to this morning and I saw that Fuji put up the new update, the 4.10, not the 4.01, but the 4.10. And this is supposed to fix the bugs from the 4.0. So when I was reading it, it actually has the same features. So what I'm gonna do is show you guys how to update your Fuji cameras, and I'll probably go outside and test the features they add, like the F-log and the 120 frames per second. Exciting day for Fuji. I'll talk to you guys later. Let's go on the computer. So the first thing you want to do before you put your SD card in the camera is see, I'm using this Lexar 128. So it's first you have to format your SD card in the camera that you're going to be updating. So just chuck this in here, turn it on. So I'm going to show you two ways you can update your camera. First is by going to the menu, going to the wrench icon, user setting, and the first tab is format. Just tap it and you can format either the first or second slot. So we're going to format the first slot. Okay. Now another way you can format your SD card is just an easier, faster way is just by holding this trash button here and then clicking on this dial knob here. So yeah, my battery just died. I don't know what's wrong with this, but anyways, so the second way I was just saying is holding this trash button here and then clicking on the scroll wheel here. So we're just gonna hold it for 2 seconds, 1, 2, and then click on this, and it should give us our, you can choose to update to format the first or second cloud. We're gonna do the first again. Okay, and that's it. Now after doing this, now you can take your SD card that you formatted and put it in the computer. So that's what we're gonna do. So after we plug in our SD card in the computer, we can now go to the Fujifilm website. Let's see, put this Fujifilm USA. Let's say global site. That's what we want. On the global site, we'll go to support, download software and firmware, and here you can see all the cameras they have and their lenses, and gonna go to X system interchangeable lens camera. Too easy. What is this? Let's go back. Okay, so this is something that comes up and it tells you about the camera. So we go see the XH1 has a new firmware update, focus bracketing and large custom. Wow, okay. But we want the X-T2, so we're gonna go and click on the X-T2 firmware download. Now it brings up these notes, and the notes is just telling you what the firmware is all about. So the biggest thing that we are looking at in the firmware is the number 4, which is the additional F-log SD card recording, and the number 5, which is, this is for video shooters, the 120 at 1080p. We also have some great, for photographers, the low light, phase detection, autofocus improved to approximately 1.5 stops, which is also good. The additional flicker reduction, I had this problem with when taking pictures with my updated 4.0. So, so after that, we can read all that, we go to I agree and begin. So at this time, you see right here where it says begin download. Just click on it and it should download to your computer. It should take about 2-3 minutes to download the software. So after it downloads, what we're gonna do is we're gonna open our Finder here. Okay, and you find where your software download. Mine downloads in the download folder. Let's see here, download, I'm gonna open new Finder window, and I'm gonna find the SD card. SD card is right here, and I want to put it on the home. I don't want to put it inside a folder, so I want to put it inside the SD card, the main, folder of the SD card. So that's it. Just drag and drop, and you can close all of this. Okay, we can eject our SD card, and that's about it in the computer. We're done here. Okay, now that we have our camera and we have the SD card in the camera now what we're going to do is update the camera. We're going to hold down the back, the display back button, hold it down. I will switch on the camera, and it's going to take us to the update page. So now we want to click on yes. I don't know if you can see this. Let me turn this down. Okay, you want to click on yes. Okay, you want to update the body. Now it tells you firmware upgrade. Okay, version 4.01 to version 4.10. Go up, click OK. Gives you a warning not to open the battery cover, take out the battery, or turn off the computer, turn off the camera. So we're gonna just click on yes. Okay, and we're just gonna leave it to update. Now it's telling us the firmware update has completed. Turn off your camera. So we're just gonna switch off the camera. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna turn on the camera again, holding the display back button so I can make sure the update was successfully installed. Alright, so it's telling me that the body version is 4.10. So yes, it did install properly. So we just click on back, cancel. So turn off the camera. And now we can turn on our camera and go check our updates. So let's go to menu. Let's go to film recording. Yeah, as we can see, 4K mode output. We can go here and we can see F-log to SD card, full HD. So we do have F-log. Let me see, I think it's F-log to SD card. Let's see and then we do have the option know what this setting is. So 4K movie output, yes. Full HD movie output. We want F-log here. So yeah. So let's go see if we do have the 1080p recording. Let's see, 1080p. Okay, it won't be here. It'll probably be in the right here. Full HD, so we can see 5 times. So that's 120p right there. So yes, we do have all our updates properly. Now the one thing I want to check before I go is I want to check that flickering. So if you want to check the flickering, just go to your shoe mode and just try to fire and hold. Just don't click the shutter button, halfway press the shutter button to make sure that it does not flicker. See, no flickering. It probably still flickers when there's light. You can see it's reduced. The flickering has been reduced dramatically, so that's pretty good. It works for me. All right, thank you guys for watching. If you guys have any questions, put it down below, and the next video I'm gonna post is gonna be a test of these features, okay?